everyone, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Prairie Peakless Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab hashtag Sticker Saturday. It's hosted by Crafting Rose, and in this collab we upload anything that is related to stickers. It could be hauls, it could be crafts, or just anything whatsoever to do with stickers. So for this week, I continued my nautical theme. I decorated a couple of different scenes that I'm going to be adding into my nautical theme junk journal. So I used Dollar Tree stickers, and I actually used the clings that are for glasses that I showed you in last week's Sticker Saturday video. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch that after this. It's because I actually showed that I purchased a bunch of these different glass stickers from Shore Living line from Dollar Tree, and I added them as well as some other Dollar Tree stickers that I had. I did 3 different scenes, and I think they came out super cute. So this right here is the first one, and these little corals right here. So this one and this one right here were from those sticker packs, and then I'll show you the other sticker packs that I used as well to complete this scene. But I think it's really cute. So that's the first one that I made. The second one that I made is really adorable too. It's this one right here. So the shark stickers came from one pack, and then the jellyfish and the starfish came from another. And again, these beautiful plants right here, corals, and the starfish came from the packages of glass stickers. And the third one is actually really pretty too. I love this seahorse. I love this one. I love the color, and I love the seahorse. So for this one, I used the seahorse and all of the other stickers that came in the glass sticker pack, and then I just added these 2 seahorses. So let me show you what I used to make these. I used cardstock from Temu. So these actually are cardstock from Temu, but everything else that I'm going to show you is from Dollar Tree. This right here is what I used to make the blue one with the seahorse. Comes with different colors. And then I already showed you that I used these. So one of these had the seahorse and the other one had the different corals. This is a sticker pack that I used for the jellyfish and a couple of the other stickers. So here's what it looks like, because these stickers are always double-sided, which is so nice when you get them from Dollar Tree. So that's what the complete pack looked like. And you could see I used the dolphins, I used the crab, and the seahorses. And the sharks I got from this one right here. So I finished off this pack. I had 2 sharks left, I think 1 or 2 seahorses, and a crab. So that was what I used. Like I said, I used almost all 100% Dollar Tree products with the exception of these 2 pieces of cardstock, but you can get cardstock from Dollar Tree as well. So I made this one right here, this one, and this one. And I'm going to be adding them to my nautical themed junk journal. I think they came out really adorable. I hope you guys like what I shared with you today. Please go ahead and put in the hashtag Sticker Saturday. Watch everyone's videos and show them some love, as well as Crafting Rose. Go ahead and watch her video and show her some love as well. Let me know what you think about the scenes that I made. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload, and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.